guys, it's Jamie. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, I need to calm down. I'm gonna be flashing somebody out here, nipple to the wind. We don't need that drama. And yes, I definitely have two dogs on my bed. If you haven't noticed, I have Chewy over there and Charlie. Whenever I film in my bedroom, they like to sit on the bed with me, so if that's distracting, I'm sorry, but they're my friends. Okay, so I was actually gonna do a Zara haul video today and show you guys some of the fashion pieces I picked up, but honestly, I had way too much curry last night and I feel so full, so bloated, and nobody got time to be bloated on camera. So I thought I would show you guys this new brand, Tower 28, that I picked up recently in my Sephora haul video. Unfortunately, the footage in that video got cut off. So if you want to know what it looks like on my skin and see what products I picked up, keep on watching. I've never heard of Tower 28 Beauty before, to be honest, till a few weeks ago when I was watching one of my girls on YouTube, Diana's video. And guys, the color, the finish looked so good on her skin. It's supposed to be like a clean beauty on Sephora, non-toxic, vegan, I think. I don't know. But it's supposed to be non-toxic and designed for sensitive skin, which I do have. And also, I find a lot of clean beauty to be really expensive on Sephora, but this brand was actually pretty decently priced. So I'm really, really excited to show you guys all the products. But before we get started, I do want to say thank you so much. If it's your first time watching my video, I hope you do stick around and join the family. Also, I realize I have a lot of new subscribers now. I'm acting like I have like a million subscribers. Hello, I'm Jamie. I make fun content on beauty and fashion on here. And I'm also a transgender woman, so I talk about my experiences as much as I can to educate and create awareness. But yeah, let's get on with the video. This might be a really chatty video. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna be talking about. I'm gonna try sticking to one topic just because I don't wanna be confusing you guys too much, and maybe just talk about, I guess, something that's been on my mind the last couple of days. I'm gonna talk and show you guys the products and try it on my skin at the same time. So maybe get yourself a snack, a tea, a notebook, I don't know. But how are you guys feeling with the pandemic, with the lockdown, if your country or city is on lockdown? I know we can have like a conversation, but leave me a comment below. I would love to know how you guys are feeling. And the first product I picked up is the Tower 28 Bronzino Illuminating Bronzer in the shade Best Coast. It comes in two shades, I believe, West Coast and Best Coast. I could be wrong though. This is what the product looks like. Very clean, minimal, great for traveling. Let me roll up my sleeves and swatch this. Ooh, she pigmented. Do you guys see that? I was not expecting that. It's like a bronzy, reddy kind of bronzer. It feels very creamy and really smooth, kind of like the Patrick Ta blush. Okay. The packaging says buff along temples and under cheekbones for added warmth and dimension. So let's go. I'm taking my Sephora Pro angled brush, taking a little bit of product. Okay, this hair needs to go. Un momento. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hands because the product seems really pigmented, so I don't want to put too much product. Also, let's say hello to my friend on my chin and over here. Okay, we got some color. Okay. The product is blending out really nicely. I typically wouldn't use a shade like this for a bronzer, but I mean, for my skin tone, it doesn't look bad, but somebody lighter than me, it might look too red. Oops, too much bra. But let's talk about how I'm feeling. I'm just gonna stick to one topic, which is the pandemic and the lockdown. So if you're from Toronto, you guys know that we are on our second lockdown, meaning malls are closed now and restaurants that were allowed to be open indoors are also closed now. Street stores that are not essential are also closed, but they can do curbside picking if they have a storefront entrance. I just feel like this is never ending and so many people's livelihood is just being taken away. So many small businesses are hurting. Let me apply more bronzer. I just feel like every time we achieve a positive step towards the right direction, it's like taking a step back. Like, I just can't believe how long this pandemic has gone on for and how many lives it's affecting. Like, seeing so many small businesses closing down and suffering, and people just crying out for help to the government to ask them not to shut down their businesses. It's just so heartbreaking. And I just feel so uncertain about my future when it comes to so many things, especially job-wise. I mean, I don't have a full-time job. I work at my man's restaurant and I'm a content creator, I guess, a small content creator. I'm just really scared about my finances and if doing this YouTube, Instagram thing is worthwhile. And I know some of you are going to be saying, Jamie, if you're worried about your finances, why are you spending money on clothes and makeup? Well, to grow on YouTube right now, beauty and fashion hauls are really popular and that's what's trending. So for me to grow and gain subscribers, gain following, unfortunately, I do have to spend some money and create content that are going to be appealing for you guys. So I'm trying to remember that and being positive and trying to create as much content I can while working at the restaurant. I know I'm blending a lot. I know that I'm really lucky that I do have a partner that has a stable job. Obviously his business has, you know, suffered throughout the pandemic, but we're doing okay. Even that can be taken away. Like, you never know what's to come with this pandemic, and it's just a scary time for everybody. Thinking about all the people out there suffering, hurting. Back to hiding my double chin. Too much. So far, I'm loving this product. I think it looks great on my skin. It was so easy to blend. It's adding a really nice color and glow to my skin. I thought it was gonna be too red, but it's actually not too bad. P.S. guys, I totally forgot to say I had a new foundation that I'm trying on my skin that I'm actually so obsessed with. And I'll let you guys know what product this is in a future video, so watch out for that. And besides that, I just have my Kosas concealer under my eye. My brows were already done, and then I have my Benefit mascara on. I'm not wearing any eyeshadow or anything like that. Next, I picked up a blush. It's called Beach Please, like Bitch Please. Can I say that on YouTube? I don't know. But it's called Beach Please Luminous Tinted Balm, and you can use it on your cheeks and your lips. And the color is called Golden Hour. Yes. The color of this is literally what I've been searching for all my life. So dramatic. Wait till you see this. Can we just please appreciate this color? It's literally the color of my dreams. It's the perfect peachy, orangey color. It makes me so happy. I love this color. The gods have finally listened to my prayers. The packaging says tap and blend onto cheeks and lips. So y'all know I'm gonna be using my fingers, of course. So I want to ask you guys, if you live in Toronto, or I guess if the government is shutting everything down, like small businesses, restaurants, gyms, how do you guys feel about that? But then large corporations are still open. Let's blend. Blend away our problems. Do you guys see this color? Like, I can't. I put way too much on. I'm so obsessed with this color, guys. I'm so sorry I'm yelling, but I'm literally so obsessed with this color. Okay. I always put a little bit on my nose right there. So yeah, if you couldn't tell, it doesn't really make sense to me how small businesses can be closed, but then large corporations are still open, where people are crowded and lining up like crazy, and there's a higher chance to get infected. Something is not making sense. I mean, I don't want to talk about too many things, but I'm getting married next year. Hello. I don't know why I just did that. It's just really hard to like stay positive and excited about the wedding, because every time I feel like we plan something, whether it be an engagement party, my bridesmaid proposal, which I literally should be doing by now, every time I plan something like a party, it keeps getting canceled because of the restrictions. And I know on a bigger scale of things, my engagement party, my bridesmaid's proposal party doesn't really matter, but it does matter to me. I just feel like it's affecting all of our mental health and taking a toll on our daily lives. That's the color of the blush. Like, are you guys obsessed or what? Please tell me you are, because I am loving this formula. It's so creamy, blends so easily with my fingers. You guys know I like natural makeup. There's also a highlighter in this brand that I should have picked up, but I didn't because I guess it was just a clear balm. So I'm gonna use my Rare Beauty highlighter in the color Flaunt, and I'll be right back. Anyways, I don't want you guys to get upset at me. I'm just literally saying my opinion. I obviously know this pandemic is real. People are dying, people are suffering. I just think that there could be other ways to find solutions that doesn't affect so many people's livelihoods. I don't even know what to say right now, so I'm just gonna blend. So I think that I need to do a video on how I'm feeling. Nobody probably cares, but I just feel like for me to just get it out, I just want to make a video and talk about how I feel. And if it resonates with you, great. And if it doesn't, well, I don't know what to tell you. I'm gonna come a little closer so you guys can see what my skin is looking like. Next, you might have guessed it, but I picked up two products, lip glosses. Well, they're not really lip glosses. They're called Milky Lip Jelly in Almond and Fire. This is what almond looks like. Probably gonna be the most perfect nudie lip gloss. It's like chocolate milk. Like, I want to drink you. And the other color is Fire, which is like a bright, supposed to be like a sheer orange. I think this is so pretty, especially with these like peachy orangey cheeks. You feel me? My lips feel creamy like butter. Literally so moisturizing, so hydrating. It doesn't feel sticky like a lip gloss. Obviously it's gonna be a little bit sticky, but it just feels like literally cream on my lips. I love that there's no like shimmer. It's very natural, nude. It's like the perfect everyday gloss. Like, if you're brown, you definitely need this. Next, we're gonna try on Fire. I thought it was gonna be like a little scary, but it's actually really pretty. Y'all know how much I love orangey, peachy tones. I think it looks so good with this natural look. If you're scared of the color orange, this would be a great product to try because it's super sheer, gives you a flush of color without being too much. I am loving this. So much lip smacking. Anyways, I know we're going through a lot collectively right now. I'm not gonna say something cheesy like stay strong or be positive. You're allowed to feel how you feel. Often, I don't know why, but I feel like we constantly compare each other's struggles, like somebody has it worse. I think we need to get rid of that way of thinking and talk about our experiences, whatever it might be. I want you guys to know that if you wanna talk or connect, leave me a comment below and we can chat about how you're feeling and what's going on. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope it wasn't too long or too chatty, but I hope you did enjoy today's video and this brand. I am so obsessed with every single product. As you can tell, this video is not sponsored. Don't worry, I bought everything with my own money. If you guys liked any of the products or if you plan to pick up anything, let me know. Leave me a comment below. If you like videos like this, chit-chatty with dogs everywhere and my chaotic conversations and beauty related video, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the notification bell, which is somewhere here, I think, for future uploads from me. And I guess I'm gonna go clean up now before my man gets home, as always, and think affirmative thoughts and good thoughts and connect with people. That makes me feel good. Hope you guys have an amazing day, and if you want to keep on talking and watch me do weird things, my Instagram is justjamiep, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!